Oh, hello again. I was curious. I need to check. I did actually just seconds ago push one out, one main big end bearing. This one on the other. Where is it? It's inside here. The other one on this crank. I did push it out with the device. So I'll try again. I'll set you up right here. See if it is. Need some force though. Well, this one's harder. No, I can't use this one. I need to do it. I took another. This one's bending. I can't use that one. I used a socket on the other one. I'll use that again. An old wrist pin will be just fine also. That's hard enough. Important to check so you're not pressing on the web. What the? This one, it's very almost like a bearing. I can only push a little bit, then I need to change the socket to a longer one. I need a shorter one at first because my vise isn't wide enough. It should be good. Yep. Almost in the center actually. Now we try again. There it goes. Now I need to change the socket maybe because I'm bottoming out in this one. Put a longer, I don't know. And now when it's loosened up, it's easier. I don't know if my vise is... I had a shorter one earlier. Yeah, I need a really short one. 10mm socket. I found it. Usually the 10 is gone. 10 and 13 always gone. But now I found you, and you will pay for your absence, or what it's called. There it is. Now it's smooth, and it's done. See, now it's out, but when pushing it together I will not use this trick. I'll show you how you can do it to take it apart. Now the thread on the vise is bad, it came dirt inside, I don't know. Well, that's it for today. Bye.